Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can watch free movies on your YouTube TV. So to watch free movies, you can open YouTube TV, and on the home screen, you can scroll down, and here in the categories, you can see the shows and movies. You can click on movies. And in the movies, you can see all of the free movies that you have available and that you can watch. So for example, if I want to watch Top Gun, I can just click on Top Gun. And you can just simply play here to watch the movie. Similarly, you can scroll down and see which movie is live playing right now and which movie is upcoming. So you can also watch these live movies as well. And you can scroll down to see the categories of the movies that are available on YouTube TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.